Honey, why don't we call Sears today and buy a home security system?
How about a dog instead?
I'm serious. We need a safer home.
But there are other people that sell security systems besides Sears. Look, here's a company with a $199 special.
But see the fine print? They only protect a couple of doors. And if we know that, the burglars will too.
So Sears protects every door and window?
Exactly. And Sears will be around a long time after those companies are gone.
You sure you don't want a dog?
I want you to call Sears.